there comes a point in everybody's life where, you know, the chapters move on in their life. And a chapter of my character's life in this game is about to change because we're going into chapter 2. But I just want to show you guys something real quick because I thought it was interesting. I was just fucking around before stream moving things to make sure captures were working correctly. And I hit chapter select. And there are 7 chapters queued up. Now, I don't know if Toby Fox is, like, committing to this. But damn, he's got a lot more of a framework than I thought. Because I was assuming if we were going by chapters, this would be a nice, like, 5-chapter game. 7 chapters is a lot of fucking chapters. That's a lot. And a weird number to end on, too. Like, why'd you pick 7, dog? I want to know the... Oh, I hit quit. Mother... Chris? Chris, honey. Are you awake? Wait. Is that a knife? No. Chris, did you eat all of the pie? Okay, I ripped my heart out and threw it in this fucking cage. It's a bird cage. When the door is closed, there's no escape. Ruh-roh, Raggy. Well, shall we go? I guess, if we have to. Oh, I have to do work for Sans today. Hopefully. Oh, I'm fucking late, bro? Chris, there you are! Even Susie showed up before you. Hey, Chris. If I knew you were gonna be late, I would have shown up on time. I wouldn't have showed up on time. Susie, please don't kick your desk. Treat school property like you treat people. Okay. Next time I'll aim for the vials. That's not what I... In any case, good morning, class. We have a lot to go over today. First, we're starting the reading from page 142. Anyone... Any volunteers? I guess I could read the... Ah, trouble yourself not, Noel. I will valiantly take this blow of humiliation. That's okay, I can... Page 142. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. Times are pretty good, times are pretty bad. Meteoric times, iffy times, so times. Listening to this, your eyes begin to close automatically. Have a nice day, everyone, and please remember your group projects. Oh, Chris, are you okay? You were, sleeping all class. Don't worry, I'm not mad, just concerned. Usually you only sleep through the start. Good luck with the rest of, well, good luck and rest well tonight, okay? Hey, your closet's cursed. Chris, this whole partner thing, you didn't lose sleep over it, did you? Lost sleep from being Susie's partner. Actually, my sleep quality increased. Huh? Chris did some good, I think. So maybe you were just staying up late talking to Azriel online again. Oh, wait, you can't do that, right? I, hope the internet gets fixed soon. I don't want to revert into my primordial form. Bye. Oh, hey, look. Well, look who it is, the school zombie. You are asleep like a corpse. What's the matter? Had trouble going Betty by last night? Me too, Chris! Like I could sleep after yesterday. Just waiting for today felt like years. Did Did all this stuff really happen? Lancer, Rosali, everyone, are they still... Look. You've been wondering the same thing, right? Come on already! Back to the creepy door. Alright, Chris. This is it. Moment of truth. Everything we've been waiting for is just behind this. If we open this and there's nothing inside, we'll still be... Let me just open it already. Susie? Yeah. Noelle, hey. What the hell are you doing here? Sorry to bother you, but, Beardley and I were going to the library to, do some research for our group project, and, if it's okay, would you want to come too? Oh, Chris, you can come too, I mean. We're, like, busy with, Chris, help me out here. What do I say? Hanging out alone in the closet. Crime. Okay, either we're fucking or we're doing we do crimes. You know, just committing crimes. Just gonna do some crimes and go to jail. Forever. It sucks. Oh, yeah, that just sounds... Have fun, you two! I'll, be at the library. Chris, if you could bring her by later, it would mean a lot to me. Wait, Chris, what the hell was that? Why would Noelle ask me to do homework with her? Death wish much? She wanna fail? Wait a second. Chris, did you notice how nervous she was? And, like, blushing and stuff? Chris, you don't think she... She's outing our secret identities. You know, this dark world stuff. Damn, we gotta keep this under wraps, Chris. This is our thing, you know. Anyways, enough waiting already, right? Let's go. Oh snap, it's real. And that is cool transformations. Okay, we are back in the same location. Here we are. Chris, Susie, it's been been ever so long. Yeah, it's been what, a day? Well, that's it, short, isn't it? It's just that I've never had friends before, so I've never waited so long to see them again, either. Fine, guess we'll try not to let you die of loneliness. I bet Lancer wanna see us too, right? Hey, wait a sec. Where is Lancer? Where's everybody? Worry not, Susie. You'll see them in a moment. Just wait here, alright? Okay. Hey, this better not be some kind of prank or something. Chris, I have something to ask you. I need you to return to the light world. And go to the old classroom to the east of the closet doors. Inside, gather everything on the ground. And bring it back here, could you? You gathered all the junk off the floor. And it turned into a giant dusty ball. It's on my head. It's on my head. Get it off my head. Get it off my head. Help, 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 help. What happens if I talk to my mom right now? And how is Chris doing? They're great, Tori. One of my favorite students, a real star. Oh, how wonderful. They have been up to anything strange? No, they've been... They're normal. Well, that is relieving, I just have been. Bro, I just got a shiny Incineroar, Pog, Pop-Off King. A little concerned lately. Just lately? You take it easy too, Alphys. I'm always cheering you on, alright? Yeah, thanks. Hey, Chris, so where is everyone?
Guess who's back, clowns?
Lancer! Hey, Chris, don't know what you did, but hell yeah! Everyone's here! But, what happened to, Lancer's castle?
All gone.
Gone? Right, when Chris sealed the fountain, that dark world disappeared and turned back into a normal classroom. So, where's Lancer gonna live now?
Don't worry, Susie. We'll conquer Razili's castle as our own.
Chris, as you bring Dark World denizens back here, the power of our fountain will transform this town more and more. From now on, the enemies we spare will be reunited to our town. So let's keep sparing enemies, okay? Anyhow, why don't we all have a look around? We can head north towards the castle. I have a special surprise to show you there.
Ooh, not if I surprise myself first. Last one there is a fresh and fragrant egg.
Come on, Chris, you gotta let him beat us. Yeah, of course. Bro, what? Why'd you stop? I thought you were racing.
Yeah, I want to be the egg.
Just wanted to show off your huge house, huh? No, I want to show you is upstairs. I have a surprise for you two. I made rooms for you in the castle. Rooms? So you can stay here whenever you want. I'd be happy if this place could be like a second home to you. A place that you can go, no matter what's happening outside. Well, we'll take a look. Yes, moss! Some decorative moss looks delicious. Why the hell does your room get moss? I like Ross. Ross? Moss, shut up. So, what do we do now? Feel free to explore the town until you're ready to leave. Like we were gonna leave now, right, Chris? Oh, they gave the old king a hamster cage.
The Lighteners. Have you come to humiliate me?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Eat it, old man. Hey, why the hell does he have a giant water thingy?
Jealous, are you? Then gaze in envy, whelps, as I suckle this giant hamster bottle. Ha ha ha! Feel despair.
Never mind. Okay.
By the way, is my son happy?
Like you care. You're gonna throw him off a cliff.
Your prejudice made my bluff too effective, I see. Besides, even if I threw him, he would just bounce. My son is a bouncy little pumpkin.
Aw, cute.
We're done talking to you!
We're here. Wait, Chris, we're leaving? But we just got here. Man, I don't want to go do our group project. Oh, you two have homework? Well, Susie, Chris, you ought to do it right away. School's important. I banish you from this kingdom until you start your project. Ugh, fine, I'll do it, jeez.
Susie, don't worry. I'll go and help you too.
Wait, Lancer, perhaps you shouldn't...
Too late. Keep kind boy, friendships form.
Lancer was added to your key items? But where did you go?
Don't worry, I'm just entering your inventory. I'm just gonna be hanging out in Chris's pocket.
Don't know what that means, but okay. Fear not, I too shall assist. We're good. Quiet! We as a team art go! Rocks became key item even though no one wanted that. Alright, enough already, let's get going. Good luck today, Chris. See you soon. Well, damn, guess we gotta go do our project. At least we got Lancer, right? Lancer? Where are you? Damn, guess he skipped out after all, huh? So where should we do this? What, the library? Ugh, well, alright. Ball of junk. A small ball of accumulated things in your pocket. It smells like scratch and sniff marshmallow stickers. Cards. Cards. The Jack of Spades and the Rules card. Ah, okay, so the Jack of Spades is Lancer, and then the Rules cards is Rulks. Rulks? Is that his name? Is the library in here, or do they mean, like, the town library? No, I'm not fucking... What the shit? Dude. I was like, did they add new music to this area? Is it, like, just bad music? Toby Fox usually is pretty on point with the sound engineering. No, it's meant to sound like cars being pissed. Because they are. My god. My actual god. What did you do, Undyne? Damn, I was just directing traffic as normal when a little dog drove one of those toy cars into the middle of the street and started doing donuts. In the chaos, all the cars in town got jammed. Thankfully, no one was hurt. But ordinary citizens like you gotta get out of here. I've got some heavy lifting to do. Alright, we're here. School. Goddamn project. Books. Goddamn crazy about them. Hey, Chris, where the hell is everybody? Something seems kind of off. Screw it, let's just go play space pinball in the computer lab. Huh? It's like the inside of the closet. Chris, you don't think this could be another dark world? Well, guess this means we can't start our project. Unless, you know, Chris, if there's a dark fountain in there, you can seal it. And it'll turn back into the computer lab, right? So what's it gonna be, Chris? Let's go, let's go, let's go. We can use the computer at my house. Yeah, let's just drop the act. Our last adventure was great, right? I couldn't stop thinking about having another. I don't know what's in there, but we can't live if we don't find out, right? Come on, Chris. Cool. Okay, so the dark worlds are going to be different locations around town. That's awesome. That's so cool and clever. And it's going to be a computer lab, so it's going to be tech-themed? Okay. Toby Fox, I am in your head, and I'm liking it. Why is there like a broken tile here? What the heck? The wires! The wires! Yeah, things are definitely broken. What the heck? Oh. Oh, those definitely damage. Oh! Everyone was... Okay. Okay, yeah, this is... Everyone else has been... Save us! She's going to... Somebody help me. Somebody, please. Susie? Oh, you're here, just... Wait. Get out of here before it's too late. Noelle! Hell of a study sesh. Who the hell are you? I am known as serial number Q5U4EX7YY2E9N, but you foolish children may call me Queen. Huh. Like we're going to call you Queen. Q5U37 Queen. Well, look, Queen, we're not children. Teens are merely big children, and adults are even bigger children. Doesn't that make you a child too, then? No, I'm a computer. Smart. Computer? Well, thank you for the stimuli, but I must leave now. Goodbye. Wait! Why'd you capture Noelle? I would have captured you too, but I ran out of cages. Why the capturing? So that she may become my willing peon. In my quest for world domination. Also, maybe I will make her face into a robot one. What? Why? Seems cool. Well, forget it, dude. Nobody's turning anyone's face into a robot. Could that be a statement of ambitious dissension? Huh? You wanna fight, loser? Yeah, yes! Already, yes! Oh, then bye. Wait! Oh, goddamn second! I have no time for such frivolites and would kick your ass. Perhaps someone else could entertain you. Enjoy your assimilation. Wear wires. What the fuck? What the fuck are these things? Oh, they're both tired, but we don't have Razali, so we can't pacify them. Okay, so we just have to act on them. Oh, okay, I see. Press Y to aim. Oh, shit, I didn't realize it would just throw me instantly. Bzz, bzz. Okay. Okay. Of course they have lasers. Why wouldn't they have lasers? Of course they have lasers. Why wouldn't they have lasers? Jigger by the wire loosens it. Turn. You spared wires, but the name wasn't yellow. Using act. Okay. Yeah, I get it. Okay. I'm sorry, Susie. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is bad. Okay. We're gonna do this one. We're gonna throw. Fathom rhythm. Okay, I got one. Wire greatly loosened. Plus 50%. Okay. I'm really bad at these. Why am I so bad at these? Okay, I can spare one. Okay, so these throw me. I want to hit the back one. Yes, let's go. Okay, and now I've just gotta focus on dodging. Okay, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad. Okay, spare this one. And now I only have to worry about one. No, 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 no. Okay. Now, Dark Burger to Susie. Okay. God damn it. Okay, we got this, we got this, we got this, Susie. We got this. Yes, let's go, bitch. I'm at 6 health and she's at 3. Uh-oh. So I have to, okay, stay. Come on. Come on, you got this. You got this, Brandon. Yes, let's go. Get the fuck out of here. Phew. Nice fighting again after so long. Now, let's go catch up to Queen. Or not. Huh? They calm down. I just used my pacify spell to put them into sleep mode. You're here. I felt a dark presence and hurried over. It seems that a new dark fountain has appeared. Rosalie, they got Noelle. Damn. What was she thinking messing in our dark world? If we don't do something, she might be... Worry not, Susie. All we have to do is seal the fountain. Yeah. Can't be mad about another adventure, right? Come on, Chris. Let's go. Oh, shit. Noelle, honey, become my willing peon and I will free you. All you have to do is hit yes on the peon release form. I'm scared. Oh, have you never signed a form before? No, it's everything else that's scary. Just got an Onyx with Pokerus. Pog, pop off, Mason. Pokemon God. Please abort your sadness protocol. I told you being a peon would be cool. Noelle! Susie! Chris! Don't worry, we won't let your face get roboticized. That's something they're going to do? Whoops, thought you knew that. Oh dear, that was supposed to be a surprise. Oh well. Wait! It is quite troubling. A peon must be willing to assist me in a world domination. If only she had fellow peons to encourage her. So like, you guys. Hey, are you like doing anything right now? We aren't going to help you. Understood. Mind-changing protocol necessities. A giant arcade game? I shall humiliate you at a simple child's diversion. With your self-esteemed eradicated, there will be no chance but to serve me. The hell? I've never played this one before. But Chris is quite good at games, aren't they? Oh yeah, Chris. Forgot you were a nerd. Show her. What? I'm a nerd? Aw. You tried to use the arcade machine. You weren't tall or strong enough to use the controls. Self-esteem eradication complete. Running laugh protocol. It's okay, Chris. I'm short too. Chris? Wait, I have an idea. Chris, if we combine our powers, then... Look, I'll show you what I've been practicing. magical stool form R. Hey, she stole that from Lancer. Now we're talking. Alright, Chris, leave it to me. Put your arms out. Power Beast Form S. Move your arms and I'll move them with you. Let's go. We just fucking crushed. We just crushed Razzle. Oh, fuck, she's dead, bro. She's fucking dead. Look at her. Incredible. Your transformation is combining all your weak points. Self-esteem crushing efficiency 300% and rising. Commence virtual combat. What? Press A or B if you dare. Shut up. Okay. Come on. I got it! Yeah, baby! One punch! Hey, thought you could beat us. Oh my, that was actually quite amusing. You life forms have exceeded my expectations. I will offer you a new, exceedingly benevolent compromise. Assimilate into my cyber army, and there is only a 50% chance I will reprogram your face. Please select your choice. Perish in the chill of absolute destruction, or flourish under the warm bosom of my hellish reign. Perish. What the hell did you say that so enthusiastically? Queen, aren't there any other options? Yes, you can also mega perish. Yeah, no perishing. Bites. You could say it mega bites. Would you get out of here already? Understood. Preference setting to perish. Come on, let's go after her. I'm intimidated. What? Oh, shit. Okay. 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 Oh, okay. You're cut. Fuck you. Come here. Tell me I get to beat him up. Dead end! Alright, what's the deal, twerp? Who's a twerp? The name's Sweet. Oh, like sweet. Oh, like sweets? Don't tell me you haven't heard of Sweet Cap'n Cakes. Doesn't ring a bell. Ugh, guess our act's still a bit underground. Sweet Cap'n Cakes, not only are we Cyberfuel's best musical trio, we're also the last resistance against the big bad queen and all her crew. And that starts with the resisting you. What? We're fighting the queen too. Nuh-uh. Cap saw you help her kidnap some girl. Hey, Cap! We won't let anyone lay a finger on Mademoiselle. Except us! Except us. Not the point, Cap'n! It's like half of the point. 60%? 55%? We're rebels, not players! We're rebels that play. We don't play, we don't play! That's it, KK. Get over here. KK, are we players? I'm a CD player. I'm a CD player! That's his voice. Oh, we're walking away. Wait, where are you going? Sweet, chill. There'll be other bad guys. No, this is our chance! Are you ready? Let's fight! KK? Yeah? Play some battle music. Okay. Sweet Cap'n Cakes blocks your way. What is happening? You're as bad as the GOP? I don't think I am. Hey, is this really working? Maybe if we tried ballroom dancing instead? Hey, why the hell do we need Chris to act? Because that's Chris's unique talent, so... You think I'm too stupid to dance by myself? Susie learned S action. She can act from her magic menu. Thank God. Susie, I don't think you should... Happy feet, dumbass! Susie made Rosalie learn R action, even though she didn't want to. I'm sorry, Chris. Let's go. Dance. 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 Anyways, everyone is dancing. Let's go, gamers. Look at them. Go. It's a dance circle. Oh, they're popping off. Battle 1. Oh yeah, feel the beat. Watch the moves. Dance, dance. Hey, losers, wrap it up. Battle's over. Over? In other type words. We lost? Does that mean we could be friends? KK, no! Fighting's not really my style anyways. Yeah, because you're a coward. I mean, it was fun dancing, but... Sweet, don't worry. I think our dancing beat them! Beat them? Yeah, all mercy-like. See, when we dance with them, it's convincing them we're cool. Now they're on our side? Yeah! Hey, you three, welcome to the good side. We are the good side. Just go with it, Susie. Let's, rendezvous at our junk shop. We jammed the door shut. But we'll kick it open. All right, everyone, let's go. About yourselves. I'm sweet. The ladies call me Cap'n. Holy shit, it's Friday night. Funkin' sequel, holy crap. Doreen SNP. Okay, you're fucking out of control, kid. KK! We should used to work in the sound this town. Until the queen came around. KK is short for cakes! It made music against the law. Unless you make a song she likes. But the only junk she enjoyed are reverse diss tracks where the vocalists put themselves down and praise Queen. Or noise music. But even if Queenie turns to put a limiter on us, you can't stop the music. Hear that? We'll just go underground. Crash, boom, bang! That's why we made this junk shop. We'll find our musical rebellion. Can we make noisy music too? Uh-oh. This probably isn't gonna turn out well. Hey, what the hell are these things? Looks like if we ride them, they might bring us over to the fountain. Really? Then let's get on. Enough, you foolish children. I have been merciful to you thus far. For now, it is time for your unwilling imprisonment. Capture. Drop the capturing capsules. You missed. That's not a miss. It was a tactical calibration. So are you going to try it again? No, I only like 4 cages. I only have like 4 cages. Okay, wait. I have a small plot twist for you. Come forward, my peon. Sorry, I just couldn't say no. Noelle? Hi, Susie. How are you? Okay, I guess. Your, roller coaster is, I like it. Yours too? Thanks. Okay, this isn't working. Bring in the next guy.
Fear not, my beloved Noel. This valiant warrior of brave intelligence will be your knight and glow in the dark armor.
Beardly? You asked Beardly to be on your team? I did not ask him. I did not ask him. I did not ask him.
That's Lord Beardly to you, simpletons. And soon, Super Lord Beardly.
The hell does that mean? I have no damn clue. Just go with it.
You see, thanks to our wondrous queen, we will soon rule the world and turn this land of fools into a Smartopia, a true scientary. We're the geniuses of the world, can bathe freely in the pools of fresh fruit and ambrosia, no longer held back by protozens like you. And the key to that is us, Noel and I. Our power, the light nerd's power.
You mean lighteners?
No, Queen said light nerds.
I actually did. Beardly, Queen's just manipulating you.
That's what she said you'd say to me.
I actually did.
Now, Chris, I must admit I feel pity for you. Unlike Susie, I always saw some potential in you. Join our side and I might let you scrub our royal toilets.
Why would I join you?
Haha, Chris, I suppose I knew you would never amount to much. Well, if you were dead set on proving your inferiority. Allow me to assist you.
Beardly rides in. Okay, please tell me this bird isn't strong, because I want to kick his smug ass.
Chris, I let you know why you're getting in my way. You're jealous, aren't you?
Nah, bruh, I ain't jealous. What would I be jealous of?
But Chris, I'm a kind and brave hero. If you come to our side, you may be a slightly less distant number 3. Haha, slightly.
Shite.
What? My car's braking? Fools! This is smart smoke! It means my car's getting stronger. Go ahead, bump me, you bump barbarians. I'll show you bumper cars. It's an intellectual game, not skill. Partake, Chris. The Zareth of punishment.
Shut up. Am I gonna have to fight all my classmates? Am I gonna have to fight Temmie? Oh, let's go.
What? My coaster, it's... What? That's not fair. My queen, save me!
In a minute, dear. Hello, everyone. I have some news updates. You see, this roller coaster is not actually finished yet.
What does that mean?
Pain. Ruh-roh. Oh. Looks like this trash saved us. Come on. Haha. Who's king of the trash pile now? Oh, ow. Susie, are you alright? It's nothing. It's just... Ow, ow. Sure you don't want me to look? Look at what? I'm fine. Whoa, hey there. What the heck are you? Feel better?
Feel better after you just came up and...
Doesn't feel worse, I guess. How do you do that anyway? That healing thingy. Oh, healing magic? It's simple, Susie. Anyone can do it. I could even teach you if you're interested. Ask me again when it's like blood explosion magic. But if you wanted, I guess I could learn it. Then you wouldn't, have to annoy me with it anymore. Sure, Susie. Next time we have a break. Let's just go already, Chris. There's a fork in the path, Chris. It seems like it might be advantageous to split up. Who do you want to go with? But or else I might also die if I do. Wait. Hey, why does Chris get to choose all the time? Rosalie, we're going with me. Huh? Chris, Oh, yeah, that's better. I prefer that anyways. Dog cones, by the way. What are these called? Nope, they're just dogs. Okay, cool. Welcome to the city. Oh, cool. Chris, what are you... Oh, Noelle, sweetie. Don't let her find me. Noelle, sweetie, darling, honey, where are you? We're a team now, remember? You still have to be my little minion. Chris, it appears our comrades have pressed the escape key on us. So it comes to this. In order to find our teams, we must form an uneasy truce. Queen! My splendid queen, where are you? Oh no, don't let him find me. Ah, Chris, not the life form I was looking for. Where's the rest of your C+ squad? Don't tell me you got abandoned. Ha! Ha! That's what you get for trusting Susie. Ha! Huh? Noelle, Queen? They're just busy retrograming somewhere. I bet they're watching me from on the player select screen, listening to strangely groovy music. So it came to this. In order to find our respective teams, it appears we must form an uneasy truce. What the? Who the beep said you could double truces? Huh? Did you hear something? Hong Kong? No, it's just the sound of the city. Oh, okay. Well, I'll be ahead. Don't be late. Chris, as part of our truce, the better one, keep distracting Beardley and find Noelle. For, you see, Beardley, he's... Okay, there's nothing wrong with him, he's just annoying. Toodles! Okay. Got any room for another truce? No triple truces. Thanks, Chris. Noelle joined the party. Let's fucking go. You became lost in the craftsmanship of the boxes. Chris, It's Queen. She's right over there. Can you distract her somehow?
Oh, Lamau, you're here. Sorry, Chris. Well, I've been looking for Noel. I've had a like of 4 of these all age appropriate glasses of pure battery acid. Don't worry, that was my throwing glass. It's safe. Look, Chris. Crisscross applesauce. Now that we are truce, I feel like we're on the same. We're one and the same. Mathematically, wavelength. You get me, Chris. You do not do crazy things like have opinions, or scream when I capture you, or tell me horrible plans for Smart Boy Theme Park. I just cannot compute it. Why everyone else is so ungrateful. Whoops, that was my extra dangerous glass. Chris, I just want to make everyone smile. And if I become an evil villain to accomplish that, is that bad? It's okay. You do not have to answer. You would be wrong. But Chris, while we're still trucies, maybe we could make the most of it. We could play that game again. Wasn't that fun, Chris? Just you and me, having a good time. No one else to get in the way.
Queen, I've been looking everywhere to show you this, a monument of our greatness. Together!
It's, how do I put this? Very smart. So smart you are. I love tolerating you.
Haha, I knew you'd be enamored. Such perfect taste.
Very cool statue. I did not know you had nipples.
Ha! I will soon in our ideal world. Chris, feel free to admire our artisanship. Queen and I have plans to consider.
Yes, so good. Looking forward to that. Yum, yum, yum. Let's go, Burgley. Keep going. I'm right behind you. Proceedingly lowering the volume of my voice. Sorry, Chris. I must Alt-Tab out of here. Wow, cool face.
Whew. Looks like my disguise worked. It's silly looking, but it beats hiding.